Let's try with a butter knife. Just tell me when you are ready.
I'm ready.
This is a premium bottle. That's why the cut was so clean. This is a tip for you. Don't try it with cheap sparkling wine. The bottles are also cheap and they will break from places where they are not supposed to be break. And please look at the edge. This edge is very sharp. Sabrage seems easy, but it's not. It's dangerous. If you want to do it safe, I will break down the process for you. There are 4 things you have to know and 3 instructions for your hands on how to do it. First thing you have to know is that inside of this bottle is a pressure 3 times bigger than the pressure from your car tires. That's why this bottle is thicker than any other wine bottle. Second thing you have to know, this bottle has a weak point. It's where the seam, it's a welding line here, will meet these lips. Smack it there and the pressure from inside will do the job for you. Third, what nobody says too much about. The glass, the material from which this bottle is made, is cold sensitive. That means if you chilled this bottle well, not just in a refrigerator, in a cold freezer or in a bucket with ice, put it like this. And if you do this, then I guarantee you the success. You will get the clean cut and everything will go smooth and safe. Fourth thing you have to know, I recommend you, with love, the producers recommend you, after this process, when the sabrage is over, fill in the glasses and then put the bottle somewhere where it does not pose a threat, because this edge here will be sharper than a scalpel blade. 3 instructions from your hand. First, the instrument you're doing does not have to be sharp. If you're using a knife, then use this non-sharp part of the blade. Second, put the blade on the bottle, tilt it a little bit, not more than 45. And the blade should follow the seam. And here comes the third instruction for your hand. When you do the shot, swing through. Don't stop here. Do the long shot. That's it. You want to see it done? Then stay with me because I'll show you right away. Until then, cheers. Thanks for watching. Let's try with a sword. I think this will be a cut. I catch it. Yes, that's the thing. Let me rotate it.
Yes.
Let's try with a butter knife. Just tell me when you are ready.
I'm ready.
The cut was so clean. This is a tip for you. Don't try it with cheap sparkling wine. The bottles are also cheap and they will break from places where they are not supposed to be break. And please look at the edge. This edge is very sharp. Let's see it done with a flute glass. This might be dangerous, you know? Let's look for the seam. So I'm scared about this seam of the glass, but let's try it. Tell me when you're ready.
Yes.
See the detail from the glass? Is not working. Let's try with a white wine glass. Interesting, the glasses are both from the same producer. Quad era demonstratum. Even with the white wine glass, you can do it. So, this was it. With a salami knife and with a spoon, I will do it next time because I just ran out of sparkling wine. And now I have all this sparkling wine to drink it with my crew. I'm sure we might have some new ideas what to film, so stay tuned because more videos are about to come. Thanks for watching. Till next time.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks, Gregor, for helping me.
Of course, of course.
Bye.
Very nice, thank you. Alright. Like it? Alright. Like it?
This is a great sparkling wine. Mamma mia!
Comes
Whoa!
So,
This is the premium level of Schumberger. It's not what they are selling in supermarkets, you know.
I'm just checking the...
This is great. We did it.
Yeah, I'm just checking the slow motion from the wine.